Jordan is a country that continuously strives to utilize its scientific, financial, and human resources and to reinforce its available resources and capabilities to achieve a high level of advancement in an ever-growing and advancing world. A specialized modern facility such as the In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center at the Jordan Hospital in Amman serves the country's ambitious drive to portray an advanced technological and medical sector and to enhance its image as a progressive country taking fast and solid strides on the path of growth and modernity. Since it was established, the In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center at the Jordan Hospital has served as an outstanding facility that features two viable elements of modern life: big dreams and modern sciences. This facility is characterized by the presence of a medical team that enjoys extensive experience in embryology. The team not only follows up on fertility technologies, but also handles all cases and surgeries in the field of gynecology. It is also a leading center for the specialized treatment and surgery of male reproduction. The center keeps abreast with ongoing developments across the world in the area of in vitro fertilization and provides the highest quality service 24 hours, 7 days a week. We treat all cases with utmost secrecy and privacy, and we adopt an objective and rational approach to each and every case received. During a short period of time, the In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center at the Jordan Hospital has successfully broken a record in supplying its medical and scientific team as well as its visitors with a highly refined and modern facility capable of expanding in all directions to meet the growing needs of both staff members and clients. I spent a long time enduring this suffering. I visited lots of doctors. I spent 20 years trying and spent big sums of money. I visited the United States, Egypt, and Syria in order to have an in vitro procedure. I roamed many countries and visited many doctors until I came here to the Jordan Hospital and met with Dr. Muin Fedah. I told him of my trips to the United States and Egypt. I told him how I suffered adhesions to the uterus and weak ovulation and the sick womb. He said I would have a good chance of getting implantation and with God's will, I would have a child. And she did. The In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center at the Jordan Hospital prides itself in the presence of all the specialized medical departments needed to diagnose and treat cases related to infertility. It hosts a complete team of doctors knowledgeable in the various areas of gynecology, infertility, and embryology, as well as male reproduction health. As for in vitro, this program has brought joy and happiness to many couples who were previously unable to have children or to give birth to a healthy child. We handle simple fertility procedures for couples who are still in the early years of their marriage but have been trying to have a child unsuccessfully. We carry out in vitro fertilization, and if we see the need for more complex procedures, we carry out classic fertilization of the egg. We also do telescopic fertilization and give the couple some advice that would help them enhance the success of the program. In its ongoing race to follow up with scientific and medical advancements in the field, the In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center at the Jordan Hospital has acquired latest cutting-edge technologies, including ultrasound imaging that enables the medical team to get accurate and detailed information of the mother's uterus and fetus. Retrieval of the eggs from the ovary, as you can see, is done using an advanced ultrasound imaging system or using a transvaginal technique involving an ultrasound-guided needle, and is usually done under conscious sedation. The retrieval procedure takes about 20 minutes, and the patient can leave the hospital shortly after and resume her normal activities. 3 days later, she would come back to have the fertilized eggs or pre-embryo placed in the uterus. The follicular fluid is handed quickly to the in vitro laboratory, which is usually adjacent to the operation room, to spare the patient and ourselves some waiting time. The In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center in the Jordanian capital Amman is a true model of a civilized, progressive Jordan, proud of its advancements in sciences and in human resources. As it continues the march towards further progress and achievements, the Kingdom strives to ensure the outreach and sustainability of its success stories in the benefit of humankind. Obliging to a couple's genuine desire to keep their bloodline and to have children is one of the supreme goals that the In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center works hard to achieve, not sparing any possible or available means to succeed. Here at the In Vitro Fertilization and Genetics Center at the Jordan Hospital, we do our utmost to help couples fulfill their desire of getting pregnant and becoming mothers and fathers.